In front of me is Black Shark 5 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, let's open your phone dialer, then locate the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, and now click on edit icon. Then select add photo, and it's time to take a photo. It's perfect if someone is standing right in front of you, or choose something from your gallery. And now let me pick gallery, select the picture. You can also crop it as only you wish to, tap on OK, and save it by tapping on save. And that's it. As you can see, from now on this picture is assigned to Timori, and whenever he will be calling me, I will see this picture at first. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.